In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find ads you've seen on YouTube. As you spend time browsing and enjoying videos on YouTube, you're bound to come across advertisements that catch your interest. Perhaps there was a product that intrigued you, or an ad jingle that you just can't get out of your head. Whatever the reason, you might find yourself wanting to revisit an ad you've come across, but how do you go about doing that? Well, you're in luck because today, we're going to dive into the steps to find those ads again. First, let's talk about why it might be useful to locate previous ads. You might want to find an ad because it advertised a product you're interested in purchasing. In this case, being able to refer back to that specific ad can give you more details or help remind you of the product's name or features. Other times, advertisers use catchy music or memorable visuals that you might just want to see again for enjoyment or inspiration. Now, to start with the process of finding those ads, you'll want to head to your Google account. Your Google account is the key to unlocking your YouTube ad history because Google offers personalized ad experiences across its services. Sign into your account and navigate to the Data Personalization section. Here you can access controls that manage the information you share with Google and how ads are personalized for you. Under this section, you'll want to look for ad settings. This is where the magic happens. When you click on ad settings, you'll find the option for ad personalization. This setting helps determine which ads are shown to you based on your Google activity. Scroll down, and you'll see a list of interests and topics that Google has identified based on your recent activity. Each of these entries could be connected to ads you've encountered. While you can't see the ads directly from this list, reviewing these topics might jog your memory about specific ads you've seen. For a more direct option, you have the power of your YouTube history. Head to YouTube and make sure you're logged in. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu, then click on History. This section shows you all the videos you've watched, including advertisement videos. If you remember that an ad was attached to a specific video, you can search through this history to rediscover where and when you saw it. While YouTube doesn't have an exact feature solely dedicated to revisiting past ads, these strategies using your Google account settings and YouTube history can be really effective. By pulling together these resources, you will be armed with the knowledge and tools to discover those memorable ads and follow up with them as needed. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy ad hunting!